Hello, how you doing? My name is Cameron Connor, and I am here to discuss week 3, question 1 and 2. So it asks, in your video response, please provide at least 3 different examples of surveys used in sports or fitness management. In addition, please discuss at least 3 factors that affect the choice of a particular survey method. So I'm going to answer that. When discussing the 3 different samples of survey used in sports or fitness management, you first have to mention the 2 broad categories of surveying. That is the interview and the self-administered survey. These 2 main categories have several different ways to go about surveying individuals. The 3 that I am most familiar with from my experience in working with sports surveys are telephone interview technique. This technique is used when there is a need for a speedy collection of information from a large geographic dispersed population that would be too costly to do in person. So these would be like surveys that a university athletic department may do with their student athlete alumni, just to see what do they like, maybe for like a homecoming event or something like that. Second, a personal interview technique. This is when a researcher uses a survey to record the data using an interview. This may take place door to door. This is something that I had to do in my last master program, as far as coming up with survey questions and actually sitting one-on-one with the individual and then recording someone on my phone. And then the third one would be a mail survey. These types of surveys are considered self-administered. These surveys could be mailed to the target audience in a questionnaire format. So those are the 3. The second part of the question is, in addition, please discuss at least 3 factors that affect the choice of a particular survey method. So the first one I said was population issues. This can be defined as are concerned about accessibility to the level of literacy of the geographical location of the population or interest. So in other words, are the people that you want to survey, are they accessible to you? Do you have to spend X amount of money in order for them to take this survey, for you to get their information? The second one would be content issues. Does the content of the question asked require the respondent to consult the individual's records before giving the answer? This is very big, especially when it comes to surveying, just because you want to be able to ask the correct questions that will get the answer that you're looking for. So make sure your questions aren't too broad or too narrow, and just straightforward. And the third one would be administrative issues. These factors include costs, facility times, and so on. So this could be a huge problem as well too. So the demographic that you may want to survey, you may have to spend X amount of money in order to get what you're looking for, or you may have to spend X amount of time in order to get the answers that you're looking for in your survey. So that was question 1.